Ground pork and beef. They're the stars of burgers, tacos, and weeknight stir-fries everywhere. Super tasty, super easy, and let's be real, they make dinner a whole lot more exciting. But here's the big question. Are these juicy favorites secretly messing with your health? Or are they actually a good choice? With so much conflicting advice out there, it's easy to get confused about what's really best for you and your family. Let's break it down. We'll look at the facts, the myths, and everything in between, so you can make the smartest choices for your plate. First, the good news. Both ground pork and beef are loaded with high-quality protein. That's the stuff your body uses to build muscle, repair tissue, and keep you feeling full after a meal. Plus, they're packed with important nutrients, like iron for your blood, zinc for your immune system, and vitamin B12 for energy and brain power. These nutrients are especially important if you go for lean ground beef, think 90% lean or more. You get all those nutrients with a lot less saturated fat. That means you can enjoy your favorite meals without worrying as much about your heart health. And lean ground pork? It's not only tender and mild, but when you stick to cuts like pork tenderloin or labeled lean, it can be a smart, heart-friendly option in moderation. So yes, when you pick the right cut and watch your portions, ground pork and beef absolutely have a place in a healthy diet. A lot of the cheaper or pre-seasoned ground meats pack in extra saturated fat and way more salt than you'd expect. Some even have fillers or additives that can sneak in extra calories and sodium, which aren't doing your body any favors. Too much of these can raise your cholesterol, boost your risk for heart disease, and even trigger inflammation in your body. Overcooking or charring meat. That can create compounds that are linked to a higher cancer risk. It's not just about taste. How you cook your meat matters for your health too. Try to avoid burning or blackening your burgers and meatballs, and opt for gentler cooking methods when you can. And don't get me started on processed meats, like sausages or deli slices. Those often have added preservatives like nitrates, which are definitely not something you want in your meals every day. Processed meats have been linked to higher risks of certain cancers and other health problems, so it's best to keep them as an occasional treat, not a daily habit. The trick is moderation. Go for leaner cuts, skip the processed stuff when you can, and avoid burning your meat to a crisp. Choose fresh, minimally processed options, and trim off any visible fat before cooking. These small changes can make a big difference in your overall health. So, what's the bottom line? Ground pork and beef aren't just good or bad, it's all about the choices you make. The quality of the meat, how you prepare it, and what you serve it with all play a role in how healthy your meal turns out. Choose lean cuts, cook them carefully, and pair them with a load of veggies, whole grains, and good fats for a balanced meal. Think of ground meat as just one part of a bigger, more colorful plate, not the main event. Here's a challenge for you. How often do you use ground pork or beef? And can you swap in a healthier version just once this week? Maybe try a new recipe with lean pork, or swap out regular beef for a leaner blend. Even small changes can add up over time. Give it a try. Your taste buds and your body might thank you. With a few smart swaps and a little creativity in the kitchen, you can keep enjoying your favorite meals while taking care of your health. So next time you're at the store, remember, a healthier choice is just a cut away.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. And don't forget to smash that like button. Thanks for the support. See you in the next video.